Let's admit it, Oculus Quest was a hit. More than a VR headset. It is the first virtual reality headset that is fully standalone and gives us a 6 degree of freedom. Finally, we have an affordable VR headset which does not need an expensive gaming PC and a boring cable. And we already have super fun and addictive VR games on Oculus Quest. I have to say, Oculus Quest is something else. So, Oculus Quest development is the new hot topic among the game developers thanks to Quest's magical feature. Even if you are not a game developer, Oculus Quest still offers new ways for storytelling, watching videos in VR, and even working with your computer in virtual reality. So, if you want to be an Oculus Quest developer, you came to the right place, because this course will teach you the fundamentals that you need to get started with Oculus Quest development. Hi, my name is Tevfik. I'm an XR developer and online instructor. I have the best-selling courses on augmented reality and multiplayer game development, and I have thousands of happy students on Udemy. In this course, we will first learn how to set up Unity projects for Oculus Quest development, and then we will learn the fundamentals of virtual reality experiences such as viewing the scene with your VR headset, teleportation, grabbing objects with your virtual hands, and UI interaction in virtual reality. We will also learn an effective way to debug your VR games in runtime. While learning, we will have so much fun with the game assets featuring the Quidditch game from Harry Potter. That is right, you will be able to summon your Nimbus 2000 with Accio spell. And by enrolling the course, you will get these awesome Quidditch game assets too. At the end of this course, you will be able to prototype your own Oculus Quest games very easily. So come and join me in this journey to become an Oculus Quest developer. Can't wait to see the impact that you will make with your Oculus Quest game. Enroll now and I will see you inside the course.